Welcome to day 12. Having an abundance consciousness allows us to view life as a magical adventure where our needs are met with grace and ease. It includes the ability to see beauty wherever we go, have gratitude as our primary emotion, hold open our hearts to everyone we meet, and trust in the cosmic plan. According to the law of intention and desire, we recognize that at the deepest level of reality is a field of energy that gives rise to all the forms of creation. Placing your attention on exactly what you want to create in your life, beauty, love, prosperity, will energize that object of your desire and draw it to you. Attention energizes. Intention transforms. Once you clarify your intentions, surrender them into the silence and allow the universe to work out the details. Today, I will guide you through a visualization meditation where we'll create our intentions and release them. So let's begin. Please find a comfortable position, placing your hands gently in your lap and closing your eyes. Allow your mind to carry you to a luxurious beach where the ivory sand flows like sugar between your toes and the rich turquoise waves gently ebb and flow at your feet. The scent of the crisp, salty air tantalizes your nose, and you breathe deeply. In the distance, you spy a flock of gulls gliding deftly above the water, and a school of dolphins at play. A bottle that contains a scroll and a pen is close by, and you pick it up. On the scroll, you begin to make a list of your heartfelt intentions one by one. These are your deepest desires. As you complete your list, you place the scroll back into the bottle and toss it into the vast sea. Feel the abundance of the beautiful beach that surrounds you. Ask the universe to deliver the contents of your bottle and cast those intentions into the ocean of consciousness. Now, take a slow, deep breath and gently introduce the Sanskrit mantra for the law of intention and desire, repeating it mentally and allowing it to flow with effortless ease. Om Ritham Nama. Om Ritham Nama. My actions and desires are supported by cosmic intelligence. Om Ritham Nama. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts, sensations in your body, or noises in the environment, simply return your attention to mentally repeating the mantra. Om Pritham Nama. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. Om Pritham Nama. Om Pritham Nama. It's time to release the mantra. Please bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, know that your deepest desires are supported by the universe, reminding yourself of today's centering thought. I place my intention into the vast ocean of all possibilities and allow the universe to work through me. I place my intention into the vast ocean of all possibilities and allow the universe to work through me. I place my intention into the vast ocean of all possibilities and allow the universe to work through me. Namaste.